The mighty Roman Empire, known for its sprawling territories and remarkable achievements, revolutionized the art of warfare. One of the key elements of Rome's dominance was its advanced military engineering, a system that combined ingenuity, discipline, and unparalleled organizational skills. From siege warfare to the construction of fortifications, the Romans' military prowess was not only about brute force, but also about the strategic use of technology and engineering. This was a science that allowed Rome to expand its borders and maintain control over vast regions for centuries. The foundation of Roman military engineering lay in the integration of engineering with military strategy. Roman soldiers, or legionaries, were not only warriors, but also skilled builders. This dual training made them effective not just on the battlefield, but also in the creation of complex military infrastructure. The Roman army was a machine of precision, and every detail of its operation was fine-tuned to ensure success in battle. One of the first and most critical aspects of Roman military engineering was the construction of roads. The Romans built over 250,000 miles of roads across their empire, stretching from Britain to Mesopotamia. These roads were more than just pathways for trade and communication. They were vital for the rapid movement of troops. Roman military engineers, known as fabbri, designed roads that were durable and well-drained, ensuring that soldiers could move quickly and efficiently, regardless of the weather conditions. This infrastructure enabled the Roman legions to respond to threats with incredible speed, a factor that played a crucial role in the empire's military successes. The strategic importance of roads can be seen during the conquest of Gaul by Julius Caesar. The ability to move legions swiftly across the region allowed Caesar to outmaneuver his enemies and reinforce his armies where necessary. The famous saying, "All roads lead to Rome," reflected not just the empire's power, but also its intricate and highly effective military logistics. In addition to roads, the Romans were pioneers in siege warfare technology. The Roman army's ability to lay siege to cities and fortifications was unmatched, and this was largely due to their engineering advancements. The Romans developed a range of siege weapons that gave them a significant advantage during military campaigns. The ballista, a giant crossbow capable of launching heavy projectiles, and the onager, a type of catapult that could hurl large stones, were essential for breaching enemy defenses. These weapons were highly effective in softening up fortified positions before the Roman legions would move in to conquer. Roman engineers also developed the testudo, a shield formation that protected soldiers from projectiles during sieges. This formation, resembling a tortoise shell, allowed Roman soldiers to advance towards enemy walls with minimal exposure to missiles. This strategic use of engineering and battle tactics made the Roman legions formidable opponents, capable of taking down even the most well-defended fortresses. The construction of fortifications was another area where Roman military engineering excelled. Roman camps, or castra, were meticulously planned and built to ensure maximum defense and organization. These camps were constructed with a grid pattern, allowing for easy movement of troops and the quick setup of defenses. Each camp had walls, ditches, and watchtowers, all designed to provide the utmost protection during a military campaign. Roman engineers also mastered the art of building vallum, large earthworks and wooden palisades that could be constructed quickly to fortify positions during battles or campaigns. Roman military engineers were also responsible for the construction of impressive forts known as castella, which dotted the empire's frontier. These forts were designed to house soldiers and to act as defensive strongholds. They were equipped with gates, walls, and watchtowers, ensuring the safety of the soldiers inside. The fort at Housesteads on Hadrian's Wall in Britain is a prime example of Roman military engineering. It contained barracks, a granary, and even a bathhouse, demonstrating the Romans' attention to both defense and the welfare of their soldiers. Perhaps the most iconic example of Roman military engineering is Hadrian's Wall, built under the orders of Emperor Hadrian in the early 2nd century AD. Stretching across northern Britain, this massive stone fortification was intended to keep out the Pictish tribes. The wall was a marvel of engineering, stretching over 70 miles and featuring a series of forts, mile castles, and watchtowers. It was a testament to the Romans' ability to adapt their military engineering to different terrains and climates, as the wall was constructed to blend seamlessly with the natural landscape. The wall not only served as a physical barrier, but also as a psychological one, signaling Rome's power and determination to protect its empire. The Roman approach to military engineering extended to the development of naval warfare. The Romans recognized the importance of controlling the seas to protect their vast empire, and as such, they invested heavily in building a powerful fleet. The Romans were quick to learn from their enemies, most notably during the Punic Wars with Carthage. The Romans' innovation came in the form of the corvus, a boarding device used to latch on to enemy ships, allowing Roman soldiers to board and engage in hand-to-hand combat. This naval engineering breakthrough turned the tide in several key battles, including the Battle of Mylae in 260 BC, where the Romans defeated the Carthaginian fleet despite being less experienced in naval warfare. Roman military engineers also developed advanced techniques for the construction of aqueducts, which were essential for supplying water to their cities and armies. The Romans understood that a steady supply of water was crucial not only for the survival of their citizens, but also for the efficiency of their military. Aqueducts were built with remarkable precision, often using gravity to channel water over long distances. Some of these aqueducts, such as the Pont du Gard in France, still stand as monuments to Roman engineering prowess. One of the reasons why Roman military engineering was so successful was the emphasis on training and organization. The Roman legions were not just trained to fight, they were trained to build. Every soldier was taught basic engineering skills, and this allowed them to construct roads, bridges, fortifications, and siege equipment as needed. The corvus, the testudo, and the intricate military infrastructure were all products of this hands-on approach to military training. Roman military engineering also relied on a highly efficient logistical system. The Romans understood the importance of maintaining their military supply lines, and they developed a sophisticated network of supply depots, warehouses, and transport systems to ensure that their armies were well-equipped and supplied. This logistics network was crucial during extended campaigns, such as the Roman invasion of Gaul, where armies needed to be supplied with food, weapons, and reinforcements over long distances. The legacy of Roman military engineering can still be seen today in modern military technology and tactics. The Roman legions were among the first to recognize the importance of engineering in warfare, and their innovations laid the foundation for modern military engineering. The principles of Roman road construction, fortification, siege warfare, and logistics continue to influence military strategies around the world. The Romans were not just conquerors, they were builders, innovators, and visionaries. Through their advanced military engineering, they transformed the art of warfare and set the stage for the growth of the Roman Empire. The science behind Rome's advanced military engineering is a testament to the ingenuity and vision of a civilization that knew how to build to last.